Good morning from a very mild... Yes, would you mind not interrupting? A very mild and fairly sunny Sunday morning. Look at this. Only seeing 3 of them today. The parents are sitting over on the island over there. As for the other 2 young, I don't know, they're maybe huddled up with them. But these 3 are eating good. Oh, and 2 ducks. Mr. and Mrs. Mallard, they are eating well too. Rather a lot of noisy seagulls. Thankfully they're not too interested in this bird seed, so yeah. Oh! Yeah, dig in, I've got a whole bag for yous. Here you go, Mr. and Mrs. Ducky. Dig in. Don't see too many more ducks. Oh, hold on, beyond that seagull, I see 2 incoming. I'll try and keep a little bit of food back because... Yeah, you're not getting anything. I say a lot of their white feathers are coming in, they'll be beautiful birds. Okay, duckies. Yep, there you go. So yeah, this will be a very short one. As I say, I'm hopefully going out somewhere tomorrow as I've got the day off. I don't know yet, I don't know where I'm going, I haven't fathomed that one out. And apart from that, I'm meeting a friend today, although they just messaged me to say they're dealing with an emergency, and I don't know what that is yet. I'll find out when I see them. Hope everything's okay. So, to round off this very short video, I will say goodbye, and I hope you've all had a good weekend. Bye bye.